Okay, hey everybody. So, I make this video real quick. Anybody who knows me, you know I have had an HHR and that the engine died. And then I went and bought another car. It's a 2014 Nissan Versa. I bought it a week ago today. So I bought it on March 16th, 2021. I paid $2,500 for it. They were asking for three. I paid 25. It's pretty much all the extra money that I had through the stimulus check and taxes and that kind of stuff. So, I was real happy that he took 2,500 for it. So now how I found this car was on Facebook Marketplace. It was for a dealership, Darlington Auto Sales. So we drove out and looked at it. It was the newest car that I saw on there with the least amount of miles for a decent price. I figured it wasn't perfect, being a 2014, asking for only $3,000 and accepting $2,500. But we went out and drove it. Now it was kind of wet and rainy that day, but it was the only day I had off work. And because we were in the city of Darlington, there was nowhere to really go and let the car go. We couldn't go super fast. We noticed a few small cosmetic issues. Squealed a little bit when it cut on, okay, so nothing crazy. But, so I did go ahead, purchase it. I need a car, I can't keep borrowing my roommate's car forever. Everything else that I've seen is, in not very good condition, it looks. So, I buy it. It is as is no warranty, but it was listed as having no major problems, damage, and that it ran well, cold AC, hot air, cold AC and hot air, yes. But as soon as we got it out on 52 to come back to Florence, start trying to get up to, 45, 50 miles an hour, 4-lane major highway, it starts sputtering. It wants to run the RPMs real high up and not change gears, kind of like in a manual if you don't shift. So, I take it to get looked at, oil change, just kind of go through the whole deal. Like, well, it's your transmission, and we don't do transmissions here, so I take it to another place, and just got the word back a little while ago. It's going to be anywhere between $4,000 to $6,000 to replace this transmission. Keep in mind, this is a car that I just paid $2,500 for, so I would be paying two plus times the amount I paid for the car to put a transmission in. On top of anything else would ever go wrong with it, etc. But mainly the fact that it's $4,000 to $6,000 on a car when the auto salesman almost assuredly did this intentionally. And I say that because how do you not know? And I can't do anything about it because it was as is no warranty. And in the state of South Carolina, there are no lemon laws for used cars, only for new cars. You can go through and sue and that kind of stuff, but you need a car right now. Suing somebody ain't really gonna help you. So, it's not something I ever thought I would do, ever would want to do, but. Yeah, so anything that anybody can spare, do anything with, I will be greatly indebted. I will forever owe you. I will be truly appreciative, because I just, at this point, I don't know honestly what in the hell I'm going to do. I don't have $4,000 clearly. Even if I hadn't bought this car and needed $4,000, I only had 25. So anything anybody can do, I'll be greatly appreciated. And if you know me personally, or even if you don't and you see this on Facebook or wherever and want to message me and ask me, feel free. It's just something I feel to do. I have to do. I don't really feel like I have any choice. Because the few things I think that I could sell around here, that I own, they're not going to get me close. So yeah, so again, I thank you so much in advance, and yeah, everybody have a good day.